Welcome to the FlexiNet training guide. In this video, we'll be explaining how to use CallSwitch Communicator on your PC and Mac. In this video, we have already installed the application, so if you haven't yet installed it, please watch our previous video where we cover the install process. Firstly, you'll see the application is split into three main areas: your user area, the navigation bar, and your contacts. The user area displays your notifications such as missed calls. The navigation bar allows you to use different features on the app. Your contacts area displays your own business contacts. This can be split into different departments. It also shows your own Outlook and Gmail contacts, company contacts, and CRM contacts. You can make a contact a favourite by right-clicking on the individual. Finally, it shows your call history. To make a call, click the phone button. This will pop open the phone dialog box. Please note the device you're calling, displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Desk phone will control a physical device on your desk. Soft phone allows you to make and receive calls using your PC. For demonstration, we'll use the soft phone. At the top, you may have a drop-down allowing you to select different numbers to present. This can be handy if you'd like to present a different sales line or your own mobile number. Please note though, this will present internally too, so generally we recommend selecting default for general use. To dial a number, either click or type the number. You can paste a number here too. Click the green phone button or press the enter key to begin the call. When on the call control pop-up will appear. Here you can mute the call so the customer can't hear you. You can hang up the call, transfer the call, put the customer on hold, send them to your voicemail and put the call on park. To transfer a call, you can either click and drag the transfer button or the grey head over the person you wish to transfer to, or you can click the transfer button and enter the details. You have the option to either blind transfer the call, which means that the call goes straight to the receiving party, or you can click attended transfer, which allows private calls to your colleague first, allowing you to check their availability prior to passing the customer across. To put the customer on hold, click the hold button. To bring them off of hold, click the button again. To park the call, press park. This park is automatically allocated and will show across the system on both desk phones and other soft phone users. To retrieve the call, click the three dots, Parked Calls. Then click the phone symbol to pick the call back up. You can invite colleagues into the call by dragging them into the call control box, or invite an external party into the call by clicking the invite icon and entering their phone number. If you need to press keys, for instance, when using an IVR, to press for option 1 or option 2 or option 3, click the dial pad option on the top left. Click the arrow to return to the main phone dialog blocks. Clicking the soft phone or desk phone displayed on the bottom right will allow you to transfer between your devices. When you click this text, it will ring all your devices, allowing you to answer on any device you wish to use. Clicking on sound will allow you to change the device and using your speaker and a microphone. This is important if you're using a headset and a microphone. To end the call, simply hang up. To call a contact, simply click the phone button or right-click on the individual and click Call. We'll now briefly run through the other features of the app. Conference allows you to make calls to your external conference facilities straight from the app. Meeting allows you to have a video conference with two other people using the CallSwitch application. Chat allows you to instant message other members of the team. This feature works across the PC and Mac app as well as the mobile application. Voicemail displays any voicemails you've received, although often our customers ask for voicemails to go straight to their email inbox instead. And Self-Care displays key information about your CallSwitch account. Here you'll see CDR, which shows the calls you've made and received. The Services page allows you to edit parts of your account, including the BLFs, which are the quick key buttons on the top of your desk phone. Finally, a couple of tips. Always keep the app in half screen mode. If you have it in full screen, the pop-ups appear behind the main screen. And if you close the app using the X, it will continue to run. When opening the application back up, if you click the logo, it will state that the application is already running. To open the application, click on the icon in the taskbar. To close the application and no longer receive calls, click File and Exit. If you use Exit, you won't need to sign in again when you next open the application. If you click Sign Out, you will need to re-enter your username, password and host. Thank you for watching the FlexiNet guide on how to use CallSwitch Communicator on your PC and Mac. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and check out our other videos for further tips. And remember, let us know when you're next reviewing your hosted setup and see how we can help you get the most from your communications.